Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. In today's class, we are going to learn the further extended drawing tool in AutoCAD. So first one, we have spline, two types of spline. So first spline, it is spline fit, and next one it is spline CV. For that, let me draw the boundary first. Okay, now I'm going to take the first spline, that is a spline fit. So I'm going to draw this in between my boundary. So I'm going to take the spline and then I'm going to draw it. You can see the spline exactly fits within the boundary. So this is called spline fit. Next one, it is spline CV. In this spline CV, I'm drawing the same spline, but you can see the tangent that is drawn to the spline is getting fit in within the boundary, and the spline is running in between the boundary. So this is the difference between spline fit and spline CV. Next we have lines, that is two type of line. One is construction line and another one is the ray line. So first one, construction line, it is a line which is drawn without knowing its start point and end point. You will be having infinite start and end point. So this is construction line. In the same way, we have ray line. So ray line is a line which is drawn knowing the start point. You will be knowing the start point like this, but you will not be knowing the end point. You will be having infinite end point. So this is difference between construction line and ray line. Next we have point option. Type the point. So here you will be getting the multiple points. So if you want to change the pattern of a point or size of a point, in the sense, you need to enter P type. Enter. Select the pattern and change the size of a point here. Select the pattern here and change the point size, and then give OK. You can see the pattern is being changed, as well as the size of a point is also being changed. So this is all about spline, line and point. I hope you have understood today's session. In next session, we'll be dealing with other extended drawing tools. Thank you.